Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about creation of editable templates, and we'll create a editable template type as well as. Okay. So if you are following the project creation based on AEM archetype, so you will able to get the template folder structure. Okay. Generally, we are creating the all the template types. If you are not creating that, okay, based on that, and if you don't have the folder information present, so we are going to create from scratch and we'll able to uh, create the template type also. So let me jump there and let me show you all the things from the scratch. Okay, so we'll go to the tool section, and here we do have within the tool section, everyone, we do have a configuration browser. Okay, so here for within with the help of configuration browser, we'll create the one folder where we are adding all the template. Okay, so let me create the folder. We'll click on the here, and after that we'll just click on create. Okay, so here we'll create maybe custom editable table template. Okay, so this folder I'll create and all the information I'll add it here. Okay, and what kind of information we are going to add it here? For now, I'm just going to create. I'm just going to add all the editable template information here. So what I'll do, I'll just select this checkbox, which is editable templates, and let's create this one. After creating this one, we'll able to get this folder, basically custom editable templates. And let me go there once. So first what we'll go to the tool section and we'll click on the templates. Okay, after creating this one, we'll see if the folder is creating here or not. Okay, so when I'll click on this, so we'll able to see, as you can see, custom editable templates folder is creating. We'll click on this one, and after that, if I'll try to create this one, right? So we'll able to get one kind of template type. Okay, so generally, as I mentioned, we need at least one template type to create the template. Okay, this particular template. Okay, like whatever template we are creating, at least we need one template type. But this kind of template is HTML5 page template, and this particular template we may don't need. Okay, we need some custom template type to create the template, and this template type is part of I think somewhere else. So let me show you the template resolution first, how the template type is present and where, and I'll show you from where this particular template type is coming. Okay, so let me go back again. Let me go to crxt. Before uh, starting this one, I just wanted to show you a couple of other information. So we'll go to tool section and then we'll open here CRXT first, everyone. So template or template type, everyone, first, yeah, it will be always be available in conf folder. Okay, suppose that conf project specific folder, suppose that this folder we have created, or this folder. Okay, basically for now we are following this folder. So here we do have conf setting WCM, and here we'll able to get templates and template types. Okay, if this template within this template type we don't have anything. Okay, so after that we'll go to conf global, and here we'll see if we have any templates type. We don't have here also, like conf setting, and after that we'll go to WCM. Here we don't have any WCM information. Okay, so first we'll go to conf component specific folder, then we'll go to conf the global, and after that we'll go to the apps folder here, apps, then setting, and here we'll see if we have WCM and any template types available. So we'll see here we don't have any template types. Okay, so first and last one, we need to go here lists folder. Okay, so we need to go to lists folder, like these three folder first. First we need to check, we need to check in that order, the way I am checking. Okay, here, then last one we have list folder. Here we'll go to the setting, and then we'll go to the WCM once again here. And after that, we'll go to the template type. And as you can see, whatever template we were getting, so we were getting the template types from here. Okay, this template types only we were getting in when we are creating the templates, right? So let me show you once again. When I'm going to create any templates type here, so this template type will able to get, okay, which is coming from lists folder. Okay. Okay, so but for now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create our new template type so that when I'm creating the pages, so I'll able to get one more template type here. Okay. So let me try to create that. So I'll go to CRXT again. We'll go to, let me refresh this page again here, and we'll go to con folder because we have created the folder here itself. The folder generally, whatever folder will create, it will store it here, I mean to say. Okay. So if I go to setting WCM, so here we'll able to get templates, and because we don't have any template, that's why we are not getting here. And if I go to templates type, here also we don't have anything. Okay. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll create one template type here, and based on the template, when we'll try to create the template, we'll able to get that template. Okay. While creating the template, I mean to say. Okay, so let me copy the template maybe. Okay, and let me check, let me copy from WKND project because this is already available. So we'll go to WCM, we'll copy from here and we'll paste and we'll rename all the things. This is the best way to create the template type. Okay, so first what I'll do, I'll go to template types, and this folder is available everywhere in every project. If you don't have this folder, so within the comment section, I'll add the screenshot. I'll add the link where we need to download this content, WKND content folder information, so we can download and upload from here. Okay. So for now, what I need to do, I'll just copy this one empty page template. I'll just copy here and I'll go to template type and we'll paste it here. So within the empty page template, so what I'll do, I'll just rename this one. So suppose that first um, demo page, demo editable template, maybe let me write. And title also I'll write the same. Okay, the title and description. Okay, and here maybe I'll write here, this is a demo editable template. And after that, we'll go to initial section and then JCR content. So this resource type we need to change here. So we'll go to page component. Okay, and after that, we'll add the path here. So let me go to that. Let me go to custom AEM project and component. Here we'll have the page information. I'll just use this one. I'll use this path and we'll go again here, this year content, and after that I'll add this. Same kind of information we just need to add in a structure section also. Okay, so let me go here and let me add this one. So our template type is created. If you see here, the template type is created. I'll just use the same thing and let me rename this one also. Rename. And let me here will add demo page. Okay, so that we have everything here. So in this way, you just need to create the template type. The reference you will able to get in from WKND, or if we have any other location, like if we have already created one of the template type, just copy from there and add the sufficient changes whatever you need. Okay, for now I just need some basic information to be changed here, so that's why I have done. So let me go to the previous tab and let me try to create the template again. So I am in custom editable templates folder, and when I'll try to create the template, as you can see, the demo editable templates, whatever I have created, the template type I am getting. So based on this template type, I'm going to create the templates. Okay. Yeah. So let me select this one, this particular template, and let me click on next here. Okay, so we'll add our template type. So suppose that I'll add template basically. So first I'll add first editable template. Okay, and if you wanted to add description here also we'll add. So I'm just adding this is first editable. So because we need template type, as you can see, pick a template type. We have picked already the template type, and I'm after that I'm just adding whatever template we are creating. I'm just adding title and description for that. So I'll just click on create here, and we'll click on uh, done. Okay. After clicking on done, this template will be in draft state. If we try to create any pages based on this, everyone will not able to create. So we just need to make this particular part as a enable state. Okay, so if let me duplicate this page and let me show you that as well. So what I'll go, I'll just go to the sites here, and let me go to custom EM project here, US EM, and if I'll try to create the pages here, suppose that. So as you can see, whatever template we have created, the template we are not getting here, okay? The new template I mean to say. So for that, what you need to do is that we just need to make this particular part as a, instead of tab, we just need to make this enable. So we just need to select this one. And after that here, we just need to click on enable. And after that, this template will be enable state. If I'll try to go once again here, and if I'll try to create any pages here, so we'll able to create the page. Okay, we'll able to select the template and create the page. Okay, so this is also not available here. So let me check that and let me show how what is the issue here. So everyone, if we are getting this issue, first we need to understand two things. As I mentioned, first one, we have the template should be in enable state instead of draft. If here I have already made the template enable, okay. So the second thing you just need to check, okay. So first we need to go to the where we are creating the pages. Suppose that, okay. So we are creating the pages basically in EN, right? Within the EN we are creating. So the second thing we can do here is that we just need to select the EN page and we'll go to the properties. Okay, and after that we just need to go to the advanced section. So within the advanced section we have here one thing which is allowed templates. Okay, so here we just need to allowed new created template here. So we just click on add here, and after that we'll go to crxt. Okay, and let me go to our template here, the template first editable templates. Okay, so here we just need to go and we just need to add this path. Okay, and suppose that we have more than one template, so what we need to do, suppose that first we'll add this path here. Let me go and let me try to add this one. Okay, so the template path I have added, and after that if I click on save and close here, and if I try to create the page inside EN, so we should get the first editable templates, and we are getting this one. But as you can see, content page template is not available previously, whatever it is available. So we just, if you wanted to enable that also, or if you wanted to available that also here, so we just need to do the same thing. Okay, so and we'll write some generalized rejects here. Okay, so we'll go to the properties here, and after that advanced section, and this section we have. Okay, the within the advanced section we just need to go to the allowed templates, and after that I'm will write one regular expression which is generalized one. Suppose that within template, if we have 10 templates also, everything will be available. So I'll write for this as well as this. Okay, so let me go to the once again here. So I'll just replace this one, and after that here we just need to write slash. After some template we just need to write slash dots star. Okay, after that dollar. Okay, it will be available whatever template within the templates folder, whatever template we have, all the templates will be available within EN if you are creating any pages, everyone. Okay, the same thing we'll do right now. Here we do have only one template, so only one be available. But for a custom EM project, suppose that for this here we do have a more than one template, right? Two templates we have. So suppose that if I'll do the same thing for this, so if you can add this one also here, dot star and dollar. And similar to that, if you wanted to add any other like WKND one or any other one, the same thing will able to apply. If you wanted to add any kind of use any kind of template, this template also, the same thing we can do. Here we do have so many things. Suppose that if I can add this one as well as everyone. Okay, so that dot star and then dollar. So we will be having so many components, so many templates will be here. Within this we have only one, okay, within our whatever we have created right now, custom editable templates. Within this we have to, if I go here, okay, within this we have two, and within this we have 4 to 5, okay. And if I click on save everyone here, and we'll go once again to create the page, we'll go here and we'll try to create the page here. If I click on create page, you will able to get lot of template here, okay. So for first of all, I am just using this one first editable template. This is created by us, but apart from that, as you can see, so many other template we are getting everyone. I'm not using this one. I'm just showing you if you are getting this issue, like when you are creating the pages, your template is not available, you just need to do two things. First one is that the respective template should be in enable state. The second one, you just need to enable the template in page, okay. You just need to add in allowed template. After that you will able to get this template, okay. Mostly you will get these two kind of issues while creating the pages, and you will able to resolve in this way, okay. So for our first I am doing is that I'm just selecting first editable templates to create the pages. So I'll just use this one, and after that we'll click on next. I'll just use the page name. Suppose that first demo page I'll use here, okay. And after that we'll click on create and open here. The page is opened here, as you can see. So I'll just go to edit modes. Basically, it is in edit modes, and I can drag and drop couple of component. So for now, I haven't added any content. Basically, any content I haven't added in editable templates. Okay, and we do have a couple of respective concept. Suppose that init concept we have, structure concept we have, layout concept we have, and policy concept we have. All those concepts I'm going to discuss in coming lectures. So for this lecture, I just created the template and template type. And let me know if you have any doubt in comment section. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.